Hi everyone, Ann Gomez of Clear Concept Inc. here. I love this time of year because it's a great chance for a reset. Now, if you've been feeling overwhelmed, overworked, overscheduled, then I would love to share the following 5 tips to truly help you own your time, do your best work, and very much tied into that, live your best life. So, tip number 1 is to focus. If you haven't heard by now, focusing far beats multitasking. Multitasking is slower, it leads to more mistakes, and it's more stressful. The more you can commit to building focus pockets in your day, the more your best work will come through, will shine through. So we want to manage our interruptions and stop this ridiculous notion that we have to respond to everything the second it lands in our world. Turn your alerts off and don't worry about that. They will come and find you if something truly is urgent. Most things can wait for half an hour, 2 hours, even a day. You carve out time for your best work, your top priorities, and focus your energy on that for pockets of time. Then open yourself up to being responsive to other people. So tip number 2 is make sure you have clear priorities. Too many people, and I know I struggle with this myself, are spreading themselves thin. And like I said, this has kind of been my Achilles heel over the years, where I've wanted to do everything all at once and everything seemed like the bright shiny object. But in order to have our best success, we have to concentrate our energy. And the recommendation is somewhere in the range of 3 to 5, and less is more, truly, when it comes to priorities. That doesn't mean to banish all goals and dreams from your life. It's just to park them for now. Right now, you can have between 3 to 5 priorities, and I would suggest you start with 3. Go hard on those, make great progress, invest a lot of energy in those, and you're going to feel this great sense of accomplishment when you have that big impact on those. Then you can transition to all those other things you want to get to, but only a handful at a time. Next tip is to build a routine around your priorities. Now, most people run through life being reactive, and I'm going to suggest that you buck that trend and you go into proactive mode. Carve out time for your priorities. Pay yourself first before all the other things vying for your attention get in your way. Okay, tip number 4, take control of your email. Be an email warrior. And by being an email warrior, what I mean is only deal with email in pockets, in batches throughout the day. Don't be on high alert all day long. Once again, turn off those alerts on your smartphone, on your tablet, on your watch, on your dog's collar, wherever those alerts are. Turn them off and deal with email in batches. And when you sit down to deal with an email, use the one-touch principle. In other words, if you're going to read that email, deal with it and then get it out of your inbox and move on. That will help you be an email warrior. The 5th tip, of course, is to invest in being organized. Organized in your physical world and organized in your digital world. Far too many professionals are running flat out, not taking the time to get organized, but this absolutely is a worthwhile investment of your time. Spend time doing things, not looking for things. So that wraps up the top 5 principles. For more tips just like this, please visit our website. Our goal is to provide you with a wealth of resources. Join our community. We look forward to staying connected with you. Let's do this together. Thanks for your time today.